This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Inkscape. So Inkscape download page, a little bit tricky to find. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and put this link right here, inkscape.org/release. When you actually click that in the video description just below here, it will redirect to the latest version. So following that link, and that link again is this one that you'll find in the video description just below this video. When you select that link, it will redirect you to the newest version, the latest version even. So from here we have different options. So if you're on a Windows machine, you have this option. I'm on a Mac, so we have this option here. There's also a source version executable file for Linux here as well. So depending on what your machine is, you will select the option here. So I'll go with Mac OS. And now I have this option for the Intel chips, or for the newest Mac silicon here. So this is saying the M1. So I assume this is the Mac silicon chips right here. So let's go with this one for Apple Silicon. And now that will automatically start that download. You can click there if it doesn't actually start, but I saw the icon went flying out, which is always a sign on a Mac that it is downloading. So that installer will wind up in your download location depending on your browser. I have Google Chrome, so it goes directly to the downloads folder on my Mac. Your download location might be in a different location. So hopefully you found this video on how to download Inkscape useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.